Deactivating your Tracfone service means permanently stopping your prepaid plan and terminating access to cellular services. First, ensure you've stopped any recurring auto recharges or monthly plans. Promotions will be voided upon deactivation, so be sure no active promotions are running that you would want to keep. Settle any outstanding balances for data overages or other charges, as the service will remain active until these are paid. You can deactivate via the My Account app online at tracfone.com or by calling 1-888-442-5102. Confirm your identity and follow the prompts to complete the deactivation request. Expect confirmation via SMS or email within 1 hour. Deactivation must occur within 24 hours of request, with no hidden fees beyond standard charges. If you want to keep your number, you can transfer it to another carrier like AT&T or Verizon within 30 days of deactivation. Request a port validation code, PVC, from Tracfone, which they must provide free of charge. This transfer is irreversible and requires activation with your new carrier. Also, return any leased devices, like phones on payment plans. Erase your personal data from the device. Confirm the SIM card is not in use elsewhere. While you can keep a paid-off device, activating it on another network requires a new SIM card. Keep in mind, deactivation prevents further charges but doesn't refund unused value.